Welcome to 2064 Venice Street in Point Loma Heights, right on the edge of Ocean Beach. This is that perfect blend of California coastal and Spanish-style charm, and it just feels right the second you walk in. Fully remodeled, completely turnkey, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and every inch of this home has been dialed in. You've got incredible natural light coming through multiple sets of French doors, giving you that true indoor-outdoor flow we're all looking for. It is a fantastic layout that blends function with style. The living space is open, warm, and super inviting, centered around a fireplace that just makes the whole place feel like home. And the backyard? Private, peaceful, and perfect for entertaining or just relaxing after a day at the beach. The kitchen and baths have all been beautifully updated, so there's nothing to do here except move in and enjoy it. But where this home really separates itself is upstairs. The primary retreat gives you those ocean views you want in this area. You've got palm trees, coastal breezes, and that laid-back San Diego lifestyle right outside your window. Wake up to soft ocean breezes and unwind with sweeping ocean views where palm trees sway and the horizon becomes part of your daily routine. Location-wise, you're exactly where you want to be. Minutes to Ocean Beach, Point Loma, great restaurants, coffee, and the coast. Homes like this don't come up often, especially with this level of finish, this vibe, and those views. Call us today to make this dream your reality.